According to the policy of the government, effort should be stepped up to raise the quantity and the quality of dynamic people who excel in mathematics, science, and technology to meet the country's need of human resources. The Ministry of Education's Commission on Basic Education, in cooperation with Mahidol Witayanuson School, implements this program by researching and developing information, innovation, and also the distribution of opportunities for these gifted students in all parts of the country. The policy of the Ministry of Education is to develop for this specific project all Princess Chulapon's colleges, which were established throughout Thailand to commemorate the great contributions of Her Royal Highness Princess Professor Dr. Chulapon on the occasion of her 36th birthday. In appreciation of her contributions to mathematics, science, and technology, fulfilling her need to promote the quality of the people's lifestyle and education, the colleges will be upgraded to become regional science schools on a par with Mahidol Witayanuson School and other science schools in leading institutions. The schools which are being prepared for the Matayom 1 to 6 gifted students are as follows. In the northern part, Princess Chulapon's College, Chiang Rai. Princess Chulapon's College, Pitsanulok. In the northeastern part, Princess Chulapon's College, Loy. Princess Chulapon's College, Buriram. Princess Chulapon's College, Mukdahan. In the central eastern part, Princess Chulapon's College, Lopburi. Princess Chulapon's College, Patumtani. Princess Chulapon's College, Chonburi. Princess Chulapon's College, Phetchaburi. In the southern part, Princess Chulapon's College, Trang. Princess Chulapon's College, Satun. Princess Chulapon's College, Nakhon Si Thammarat. Learning and teaching activities. The objective of the schools is to develop the students in 3 aspects. First, to become good Thai citizens. The schools will handle activities in which students realize their self-worth and develop self-discipline based on the principles of religion, morality, ethics, and other desirable characteristics as cherishing Thainess by conserving the Thai language, art, and culture. To attain this objective, students will be required to attend a moral or character camp, a local festivals camp, and a Thai culture and values camp. Second, to become outstandingly good or proficient in mathematics, science, and technology, students will use their skills to think creatively, to have the researcher-inventor spirit, to be eager to learn, and to be efficient in using languages and technology as a world-class citizen. To attain this objective, they will be required to attend a science and environment camp, do science and math projects, and learn foreign languages and technology. Third, to be happy by taking good care of their health, physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Students are encouraged to have adequate exercise and play sports, appreciate and learn art and music, and to develop good relationships with other people. To emphasize the importance of our responsibility to society and to the environment as human beings, the students are required to serve in a rural development volunteering camp and an environment camp. All these we are to accomplish so that our students will be ready physically, emotionally, socially, and mentally to become efficient science and mathematics researchers like the youth in other leading countries.